kasalanan ko din kasi hinayaan ko magpalaman ako sa sadness. I just again, I have a package here that's unboxed it. Two travel bags and feeling ko na yung gagamitin kasi this is bigger than this. Yung sa dream, yung sa passion, may pagkawin example. Feeling ko mas bet ko yung dream. Rupees. Kinaktok sa amin yan and may something heavy in my back, Kuya. What's happening? There's a ghost? Still morning.
Ang bakit yung gayon ko yung si tita? Ano po?
Hi, it's Monday and I have nothing to do. Dapat mag-aral ako pero I don't know, alam niyo, may na-realize ako today. I spent an hour watching on my IG story since 2019 up to this day. Tapos, I realized na at some point, it's my fault also na nandito ako sa sitwasyon ko ngayon na kasalanan ko din kasi hinayaan ko magpalaman ako sa sadness. Hinayaan ko na lahat ng pain, struggles, lahat-lahat hinayaan ko na ganito yung maging end sa life ko. Wala naman akong pinagsisisihan kasi hindi pa naman late ang lahat. I can still change my habits, go back to my old routine, study habits, and may chance pa naman na mag-spark ulit yung passions ko, yung hobbies ko. It's not too late for me to improve myself. Kasi at the end of the day, ako lang din naman yung talagang magsasuffer sa mga decisions ko when it comes to my health, mental illness, productivity, and everything. Ewan ko. Feeling ko ngayon na na-realize ko na hindi naman lahat is magiging align sa mga plano ko. Naging ano na siya, naging lightweight na yung happiness na nararamdaman ko compared sa mga past few weeks and days na wala akong ginawa kundi matulog, mag-dwell sa nararamdaman ko kasi nga, diba, nag-fail na ako sa civil service, nag-fail ako sa CPT exam, and ang ginawa ko lang is mag-dwell, tanongin kung saan ako nagkulang, and it's so hard for me to accept those results. Yun yung feeling ko for the past few days. Watching Chris Uys vlog, yung sinabi niya na hindi na yun magbabago. Hindi na mabago yung nangyari na all we have to do is to accept and be grateful for what we have right now. And tapos napanood ko yung story ko na nanood kami ng How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies. Yung sinabi ni grandma na ano tawag to, rice grains are already cooked. You cannot undo the things na nangyari na. So, yun yung undo. Although yung results ko is sa part 1 pasado, sa part 2 hindi ako pasado kasi sa part 2 ng CTT exam, doon talaga hindi ko talaga yung naintindihan, and alam ko, aminado naman ako fault ko kasi mahina ako sa analyzation and problem solving. Pero yun na, I still have enough time to change myself, to grow from it, learn from it, and magbago na. Ewan, today parang I feel so better. I feel better na. And na-share ko sa partner ko na bakit ako palagi nag-isolate, bakit palagi ako nagtatago sa tao, palagi ako nagkukulong sa kwarto, bakit? Like, kanino ako nagtatago, sino ba yung pinagtataguan ko, ano ba yung ginawa nila, like, there are times na mas heavy yung ginawa nila sa akin, pero bakit ako yung nagtatago? Pero nasettle naman na lahat ng heaviness sa puso ko, and marami naman na akong na-realize, and matuto na ako. It's not their fault. It's not always their fault. It's also my fault. Hindi naman nila ako in-invalidate. Truly, validated naman ako. It's just na hindi lang ako contento sa treatment na binibigay nila. Kumbaga, yun naman talaga yung treatment nila sa akin. I'm just expecting for more, which is not. And dapat makontento tayo sa kung ano yung meron tayo. Ganun. Ayun, I just feel better today. Yung good moral, tapos yung certification of grades. Sa last na tayong school. Ay na, kaya natin yan, sis. Ay.
Ako yan sa rin yan eh. separate yung pre-review talaga. Magiging problem sila. Pero ako na din. So, ako pa rin nag-exercise para yung problem. Hindi pa rin mas matanong mas malingat. Pero,
Saan na kaya mo?
Hindi ka pa parang father. Baka araw na ka, inamon mo doon. Dili mo rin ako, pinalakain mo ka dati.
Be, nagdadakol yan. Di pwedeng usad.
Biglaon mo.
After drinking mojito, one mojito.
I can't even open my eyes. Ay, wait.
Your skin condition. All I did think like a party. Hey, ka muna.
Bakit ka emotional?
Ano lang ako, nakahappy lang ako. Everybody,
Be, magsa-Saturday na. It's our turn.
Yay, congrats!
Hi! Congrats!
I'm so proud of
Biodiversity is the best. It's a beautiful part of Etras.
It's 10:37 p.m. and I'm going home. Hi. It's so nice na nag-deep talks na naman kami ni Jay. Wala lang, nagsishare lang kami ng mga stories. Hi, let's unbox the package I received from Asang Publish Author. Let's see what's inside this. Sabi maliit yan. Too bad it doesn't work like that. So baka hindi na ako magpa-pouch. Let's remove everything. Oh my god. So tired. Hi everyone, good morning. It's 5:57 a.m. today. I have a long day today. Hi! Nagpa-practice na kami! Yay! We are the class 2024!
Tapos po grade 6 for
We made it to class 2024. Sadly, hindi naging maganda yung answers ko sa interview and assessment. Hindi rin naging maganda yung answers ko sa assessment. It's so sad. So pretty. So this is how my eyelashes looks like na. Naka-eyelash extension na siya. And yes, as you can see with my fingers. So pretty. Ang arte-arte ko kasi. Nahulog yung phone. Grabe, ang lakas ng bagsak. Ay, naku. Ang arte-arte kasi. Shit.
Doon na lang sa may saklay. Nagpagalay.
Bachelor of Technology and Rehabilitation.
Nakaka-stress
Wala kaming remake. Kita ko ano nakaka...
Ako naman ni Dona.
Ba't na si Bea mo? Ito na si Bea? Ba't ka daw na ako?
Hi, graduate na ako. Mamaya. Later.
Hi. So this is now my final look. This is my look na. And I changed the dress. Oh my god. Today is the day. It's the day. My mom.
Mr. President, upon the recommendation of the Faculty of Instruction of the College of Accountancy, I have the honor to present to you for the approval and confirmation the graduation of 9 candidates for the degree Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, 7 candidates for the degree Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System, and 8 candidates for the degree Bachelor of Science in Management Accounting, University and Maria Cristina Luis V. Lagrimas.
Time to remove my makeup. Kasi I wanna sleep na. I'm really sleepy na.